Do you also use there is many students in the class? Guys, believe me, it's a very common problem for the beginners who are just trying to learn English, right? So today we are just going to learn a very easy structure. That's there is, there are. There is, there are. So first of all, we have to know that what is the use of there are and there is, right? So guys, always remember that we have to use there is for single thing. It means that if something one in number, then we have to use there is. And if we talk about there are, so always try to use it for more than one things. That's very simple. Once again, there is for one and there are for multiple things, correct? Just try to look some examples. The first example, if I want to say about my house, that there is a car. There is a car in my house. Now the question is, why I'm just using there is with a car? Because I'm just talking about single car, correct? So if I have one car, if I have to talk about single car, so a single thing, then definitely I have to use there is. And if I want to say like this, that there are four you can say fans, 4 fans in my house. Just look at this, guys. Why I'm using there are here? Because I'm just talking about more than one thing. So it means that I'm just talking about multiple things. So if you have to say about multiple things, then you have to use there are. There's no question at all, correct? So once again, for single things we have to use there is. So there is a car in my house. And if we talk about multiple things or more than one things, then we have to use there are, correct? Now guys, I'm just giving you a chance to prepare your own sentences. Just open your copy and just try it. Okay, just try it. I have given you the first sentence, that there dash a cat in the garden. There dash a cat in the garden. Okay, and you have 2 options. You have 2 options. What is the option you have? That's very simple. You have 2 options, is and are. Just use any one out of these 2. Second, also I'm just giving you a task. Look at here. There dash many cats. Just use and prepare your own sentences. Just try to use is and are here in the blanks. Okay, so in the first, you have there dash a cat in the garden. So guys, here the object we are just talking about, that's one in number. Then what you will use, and if we talk about the second one, so you can see here more than one. So what you will use, just try to write in the comment. Now the next thing is that there is a question in your mind, most probably, that's how can we make negative sentence in this structure. So if we talk about the negative sentences, so look at here. The first, there is not. Or you can also say or write like this, that there's not, or there isn't. There isn't a student in the class. Student in the class. Now look at the sentence, especially for there are. So there are not. Now you cannot say some, many, or anything. You have to say any. Look at, because we are just talking about more than one. Whenever we have to use these kinds of sentences, or you want to say about more than one person, one things, then you have to use any. So there are not any student in the class. That's very simple. Okay, so just do your practice each and every day, at least 10 to 15 minutes per day of these kinds of things that you have to practice per day, so that your English has to improve. Okay, so see you on the next video. Ta-da.